Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Beoplay E8 wireless in-ear earbuds in black. Let's get started. In the past year or so, wireless earbuds have become the craze in the headphone market. Ever since the release of the Apple AirPods, other companies have come and gone in hopes to release a worthy competitor, and now I think we can truly say there is one. The Beoplay E8 wireless earbuds. So without further ado, let's jump right into the review. What caught my eye with the Beoplay E8s at first glance was the styling and design. If you've seen our previous reviews, we tend to praise Beoplay for their minimalistic and fashion-forward approach to their products, and the E8s continue to represent exactly that. The earbuds come docked inside a carrying case, used to charge the earbuds when the battery is low. The construction overall feels rugged, and the pebble grain leather accenting provides a nice aesthetic touch. I found the case to be a perfect size to put into coat and pants pockets without being obtrusive. The earbuds are constructed of a smooth matte finish plastic material with a circular aluminum accent to indicate the function button. When music is playing through the earbuds, users can lower or increase volume by moving the finger in a circular clockwise motion, and play or pause by tapping on the touch surface. With a built-in microphone located on the lower section of the E8, users are able to utilize voice recognition as well as communicating through calls. To set up the headphones, simply download the Beoplay app and hold the circular surface of the two buds for a few seconds until the lights blink blue. Connect with the E8 in your Bluetooth settings and it should show up in the app. The app allows you to make EQ adjustments, update firmware, and activate transparency, a feature that allows you to hear the outside environment simply by tapping the left earbud. You can choose from default settings like commuting, social, and ambient, which gives users the immediate flexibility when outside or in indoor settings. Once the Beoplay E8 has been connected, you should see a cool white LED light appear whenever the earbuds are taken out. Although the earbuds are slightly larger in size than what's in the market, I found them to be very comfortable. I was able to keep them on throughout the day without any hassle. The battery life is also pretty great. As long as you charge the carrying case every night via the included micro USB cable, the earbuds will last for up to 12 hours in the day. In terms of sound quality, I don't think you can find better at this price point. The bass is powerful but not overpowering, and the vocals are crisp and clear, providing just the right amount of mids and highs for the listening experience. In conclusion, the E8s are truly exceptional wireless earbuds that does not disappoint. With impressive sound quality, strong battery life, and intuitive controls with in-app functionality, the E8s stand above its competitors in the category. The Beoplay E8s are available now in two colorways, black and charcoal sand, and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you like this review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.